Welcome to Fabergé Architecture Design Ideas channel. Easter is a time of joy, renewal, and exquisite traditions. If you're looking to elevate your holiday decor, luxury Easter eggs can add a touch of sophistication and elegance to your celebrations. From gold leaf embellishments to Fabergé-style designs, these high-end decoration ideas will transform ordinary eggs into stunning works of art. Whether you're crafting for a lavish Easter brunch or a stylish home display, here are the best luxury Easter egg decoration ideas to inspire you. Table settings and centerpieces. For a regal and opulent touch, metallic and gilded eggs are a timeless choice. Start by applying gold or silver leaf to the eggshell for a radiant, antique finish. You can also use metallic acrylic paints or spray paints to achieve a lustrous sheen. To enhance their elegance, adorn the eggs with pearls, crystals, or tiny beads, giving them a refined, luxurious appearance. These eggs look stunning as centerpiece decorations or displayed in a glass bowl with fairy lights. Inspired by the world-famous Fabergé eggs, these luxurious designs are perfect for those who love intricate details. Begin by painting the eggs with jewel-tone colors like sapphire blue, emerald green, or deep ruby red. Next, use adhesive gems, rhinestones, or tiny pearls to create intricate patterns, mimicking the grandeur of Fabergé designs. For an extra level of sophistication, display the eggs in ornate stands or decorative boxes, making them true statement pieces for Easter decor. For a modern and artistic look, marble and agate-inspired eggs create mesmerizing patterns. Achieve this effect by using nail polish or alcohol and simply swirl the colors in a bowl of water and dip the eggs in to transfer the pattern. Play with pastel hues for a soft, dreamy effect or opt for bold, jewel-tone swirls for a more striking appearance. Each marbled egg is unique, making them a perfect blend of art and luxury. If you love vintage and delicate aesthetics, lace and embroidery style eggs add a soft, romantic charm. Wrap the eggs in delicate lace fabric and secure them with satin ribbons for a graceful, timeless look. Alternatively, hand-paint intricate lace or embroidery-style patterns in gold, light, or pastel colors to resemble fine needlework. These eggs paired beautifully with floral arrangements and soft candlelight for an elegant Easter setting. For those who appreciate sparkle and glamour, crystal and beaded eggs are a perfect choice. Using Swarovski crystals, glass beads, or tiny rhinestones, carefully arrange dazzling patterns across the egg's surface. Floral, geometric, or symmetrical designs work especially well, creating a sophisticated and artistic effect. These eggs shine beautifully under light and make a magnificent decorative element for luxury Easter celebrations. For a timeless and elegant aesthetic, porcelain-inspired Easter eggs mimic the beauty of fine china. Hand-paint delicate floral or filigree patterns in blue, white, or pastel shades, reminiscent of classic porcelain dishes. Blue and white motifs, similar to traditional Chinese or European porcelain, add a refined and sophisticated touch. These eggs are perfect for those who appreciate vintage or classic home decor. Soft to the touch and visually luxurious, velvet and suede-coated eggs exude elegance. Wrap the eggs in plush velvet or suede fabric in rich colors like deep burgundy, navy blue, or forest green. To personalize them, add monograms, embroidered initials, or gold thread embroidery, creating a customized and high-end Easter decoration. These eggs look especially charming when displayed in a decorative basket lined with silk or lace. For a magical and ethereal effect, pearlescent and iridescent Easter eggs are a stunning choice. Use pearlescent paints, shimmer powders, or iridescent nail polish to create a soft, luminous glow. Layer different shades to achieve a mesmerizing ombre or gradient effect, transitioning from one color to another seamlessly. These eggs catch the light beautifully, making them an enchanting addition to any Easter table or decorative display. For a sentimental and sophisticated touch, calligraphy-style Easter eggs allow for customization and elegance. Using gold or silver ink, handwrite elegant calligraphy featuring names, initials, or meaningful Easter quotes. You can also use embossing powder or fine-tip paint pens to create a raised, luxurious effect. Personalized eggs make wonderful gifts or keepsakes, adding a unique and heartfelt element to your Easter celebration. Bringing a natural and organic touch to luxury Easter decorations, nature-inspired eggs celebrate the beauty of botanicals. Use real pressed flowers and seal them with resin for a delicate, floral effect. Alternatively, decorate the eggs with gold foil leaves, delicate vines, or hand-painted floral motifs to evoke an elegant garden-inspired theme. These eggs blend sophistication with natural beauty, making them perfect for outdoor Easter settings or rustic chic decor. Creating luxury Easter eggs is a perfect way to add refinement and elegance to your holiday decor. Whether you prefer gold accents, intricate beadwork, or soft velvet finishes, these ideas offer endless possibilities for crafting beautiful, high-end Easter eggs. Make this year's Easter celebration unforgettable with dazzling, sophisticated egg decorations that showcase your artistic flair. Which luxurious egg decoration is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY and home decor inspiration. Wishing you a beautiful and creative Easter celebration.